Look, it's my bra strap.
Damn.
This is like practically like having sexual intercourse.
Practically.
Practically.
Not there yet.
Not there yet. We've only been in bed together for a little bit.
I already banged her head against the headboard.
It was true, and it almost hurt, but I'm too happy.
Alright.
Okay, we should do something.
Like what?
I don't know. I miss John. So like, Bryson and Shannon are here.
Yeah.
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 We miss John.
Mhm.
It's weird.
I miss my best friend.
I miss my best friend.
We still need to do the wedding.
We do! We need to do the wedding!
Yeah, that's like the only thing we haven't done yet.
Like,
And like the births.
I wonder, because have I talked to you about the wedding? Because like, it's not even like,
Well,
it's like
I mean,
the
I had
shittiest wedding ever.
I had a dream about the wedding, and like.
What was
the
your
whole
dream
thing.
about the wedding?
Like, you know how they do the unbreakable vow and they have like the little things, the flames on their arms?
Aww.
I was thinking about like getting ribbons and putting them on their hands and stuff like that. It's nerdy, Bryson like, and it's romantic and stuff like that. Can we do that?
so cute!
Okay.
But like, they're poor as shit.
Yeah, that's
Like, I
true.
picture them like
I mean,
going
it's
to the
just-
courthouse and getting married for $80, but like, instead of having the 3 witnesses, they just have like 15.
Yeah.
And then they go out to a bar, and then they have...
can we do
No, because
that?
like, you have to have like the after party. Yeah, that's pretty much what
I'm
happens.
not gonna do a bar. Can it be like a disco bar?
Okay.
Okay, a
We're
disco
gonna do-
bar. Are they gonna be wearing roller skates? Is it roller disco?
No, they're not gonna go to a roller disco. What the fuck is the matter with you?
I want them to go to a roller disco.
They're not gonna go to a roller disco.
Okay, that's their honeymoon.
Okay.
Their honeymoon could be roller disco.
No,
Yes.
I'm never going roller discoing.
I will force her to go roller disco.
It's just not appropriate. She's saying that they should get married at a roller disco. No, something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bunch of the family's leaving, and I need you to come down and tell them bye.
I'll go in a second.
Well, I mean, they're leaving now.
Okay. I love you. Well, I'll put this in a second.